By all accounts, Samoan Language Week went without a hitch. Even our Palangi Preschool in Wellington took up the challenge. Tangalua Tele o Sonio Kasina reports on this and a special Samoan independence celebration at Auckland's Malaiola.
English-speaking Children First Early Childhood Centre in Trentham embraced Samoa Language Week thanks to their Samoan teacher on staff.
The children just really enjoy Sefa talking Samoan. Because she's passionate about it, the children are engaged in her storytelling.
Yeah. Na amata lava ona o galue mai le amatanga o le masina o me I le whaangaioinga o le ngangana Samoa ina ia mawhai ona lātou malamula mai. O mai lo o te mana o le vai a Samoa ne ia tau lava o le wha Samoa ala ua lātou malamalama ia I le winga o lea activity po le winga fo I o lea tala. O tātou e māsani o tātou lima le ngālulue le whai o ngālue ngatau lima e mai se lava o tina o le whaingo le elei o te whaamatala ia au maila o le pea elei pe ona o fuina na fila o pea elei ona o whaamatala fo elei le whaingo o le mea leo le papa lea elei ei le ie lea e whai ei le ofu ia ona malama le o te vaia I lātou le ofo fo I le lātou loana le mea e saua I le elei. Tasi, lua, tolu, wha, lima, ono, fitu, walu.
If children learn another language, whether it's Samoan, Te Reo, Fijian, any other language, it enables them to connect to the left-right brain and gives them a far greater understanding of the English language, and it embraces our multiculturalism here in New Zealand rather than just looking at the biculturalism perspective.
Samoan language was also the focus of an Independence Day celebration hosted by Macaulay High School at Malaiola, a chance for Year 13 students to practice formal traditions.
The Samoan Day and Samoan culture is to instill the pride in students of their language and their culture so that they not only succeed academically and also achieve the skills in the Palangi language and other languages, but also their own. We always make the students aware of the independence of Samoa and the importance and the events in history and how it's connected to New Zealand.
Taking their place as a tula whale or orator in the Ava ceremony has been a steep challenge.
You know, it would have been better if you were sitting there with just the college students, but you had all the matais and all the other chiefs sitting there, so it'll make you feel like a lot more nervous.
Despite the nerves, students from Auckland Girls Grammar, Mangere and Aorere colleges and Macaulay High School provide skillful oratory.
That was just the inspiration that the young girls nowadays are speaking in a right way with the Samoan culture.
Well, to me, it's outstanding and tremendous, especially for the girls. You know, the girls could hardly do any sort of this type of laung, but they did very, very well.
As an oral culture, Samoa's traditions and history have been passed on through many songs, and by the students learning these, the knowledge is carried to another generation.
I'm really proud to be Samoan, and celebrating it, it's something special to me, and I'm pretty sure that the reason why everyone that come to support and people that have come, they're pretty much proud of their culture too.
I reckon that, you know, it's our specialty for Samoan culture, so we have to keep it up.
I do think that the Samoan language and culture will be survive in New Zealand in the next 100 years.
Congratulations to all the students that participated. Such an impressive command of the Samoan language.